Hello, I'm Tim and I study computer science at the University College London. I work on the UCL Peach project, and here on my head is Microsoft HoloLens, which is an augmented reality headset from Microsoft. I'm about to show you a prototype of the application I'll be working on with my team, and in essence it's an augmented reality model viewer aimed at medical specialists. And the particular model we'll be looking at today is a model of kidneys, so let's begin. Here you can see the model itself, and it is actually registered with the 3D space around it, meaning no matter how much I move around, it's going to stay in the same place. And in my opinion, this way of studying a model is way more intuitive than looking at a computer screen and using your mouse. There's an important point I haven't mentioned before, and it is that there are cancerous lesions on both sides of this model, as you can see in green right here. And a surgeon could use this information to plan from which direction it's better to enter the body and how it's better to treat the patient. And now imagine we would want to look into the way the arteries and veins are laid out inside the kidney. It is not possible at the moment, sadly, because the kidneys are not transparent, but there's a way to fix it. Switch view. As you can see, now I can study every single element of the model separately, and I can also rotate them. Or imagine if I'd want to change the color of all components except, say, arteries to yellow to make it easier to see the arteries. I could do it easily using gestures or voice commands. Color yellow. Color white. And I could repeat the same process for any single element of the model. So now let's do what we came here for. Let's change the transparency of the kidneys. Alright. And since now the kidneys are transparent and there's nothing else I can see in this view, let's switch back to the combined view. Switch view. As you can see, now it's way easier to tell what's going on inside the kidneys and how patient's anatomy is laid out. And for example, I can see how arteries and veins and urine tubes are related to the lesions, and I could plan my operation accordingly. I could also rotate the model if the space around me is limited. And this about concludes my presentation, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember, this is a development prototype and we're going to add a lot more features. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please feel free to let me know and I'll definitely respond. Thank you for watching.